this. This right here is amazing.
Hi friends, welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. Come along with us as we take a walk along the world's most famous beach, Daytona Beach.
Okay, so we're here at the beach. Now I'm gonna walk down to the pier and show you some of my favorite spots on the little boardwalk there. So let's take another walk.
Daytona Beach was founded in 1870 and is most famous for its wide beach and smooth, hard-packed sands. Daytona Beach became widely known in the early 1900s for high-speed automobile testing and later racing. This made the beach a mecca for racing enthusiasts. By the 1920s, it was dubbed the world's most famous beach. The Daytona Beach Pier, or Main Street Pier, was built in 1924 and stands strong to this day. It's hosted lots of different businesses, including a casino on top. In 2012, it was taken over by the restaurant chain Joe's Crab Shack. Walking under the pier, it feels a little bit like you're on the Flying Dutchman, and at any corner you expect Davy Jones to pop out. Please don't let that happen. It's a little scary under here. Did you see that? It looks like a spider crab sort of thing, and I'm a little worried it's gonna like jump on me, so let's get out of here. Cool. I saw this lady, she's metal detecting. I'm really hoping she finds some Spanish gold lost at sea, but more likely she's gonna find some jewelry that's lost by some travelers to Daytona Beach. So when you go swimming, take off your jewelry. Take a walk up to the boardwalk and check out some of my favorite spots. Number one has to be Zeno's Boardwalk Sweet Shop. They've been open since 1948. 4 generations of their family has been making the world's most famous taffy on the boardwalk of the world's most famous beach, Daytona Beach. In addition to the over 90 flavors of their world-famous taffy, Zeno's also makes their own chocolate, candies, fudge, and homemade ice cream. connected with Zeno's is also a really cool souvenir shop, so definitely take a stop in there. I will add the link to Zeno's down below. They do ship their world famous taffy all over the world. So if you'd like to try it yourself, definitely check their link out. And if you're in Daytona Beach, they actually let you visit their factory store where they make all the taffy and the ice cream and the candies. I visited it and it was so stinking cool to watch them make the taffy and all the goodies. So I definitely recommend that. I will put that link as well down below. Our next stop is Pizza King. Our family absolutely loves Pizza King. We always get their pepperoni pizza. It's so good. It's only $16.99 and it'll feed your family. Great, you're having a wonderful time at the beach. You can grab something to eat. They also have funnel cakes and hot dogs and hamburgers and all kinds of great food and drinks. So definitely check that out. Another must stop for our family is the Mardi Gras arcade. It is so fun. It's got a great retro vibe, lots of pinball machines, arcade games, new and old, skee ball, basketball, really, really fun. It's not expensive and it's really easy for the kiddos to earn prizes. So this has so many memories for me and the kids, so definitely recommend Mardi Gras Arcade. Head back in the direction of my hotel, but yeah, as you can see, there are lots of little shops within walking distance of the beach. Super fun. You can always pick up an interesting t-shirt or a nice Daytona Beach souvenir. I just think the beauty here at Daytona Beach is just breathtaking. So beautiful. Around the little park area near the Main Street Pier, there's lots of these little placards that give you information about the natural habitat and the plants and the animals that are here at the beach. Little splash pad for the kiddos, and that building right behind the splash pad are bathrooms, and they have showers in there, so if you have been on the beach you can kind of rinse all that sand off, so that's super convenient. aptly named Screamers Park. The Screamers Park has 2 rides, one of which is the Slingshot, which propels you 365 feet into the air at 70 miles per hour. Hence the name, Screamers Park. At Screamers Park, there's also a nice little concession area. They have drinks and smoothies, and they even have, for Disney fans, pineapple Dole Whip. Next to Screamers Park is a 7-Eleven. It's kind of tucked in there and it's not really noticeable, but if you're at the beach and everybody's thirsty, it's a great place to run in and get a big gulp or a Slurpee. New to my must-do list is Sugar Kingdom Sweet Emporium. It is about a grocery store-sized shop filled with everything sweet. I can't wait to check it out with you. Candy, every kind of candy, but I wanted to come and check out the soda pops. They have all those like fun flavors and kind of wacky flavors too. Awesome. It's like being in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Check out the bubblegum cigars. Oh my goodness, I am loving this retro section. So cool. It's about 1 o'clock and I haven't had breakfast yet, so I decided to get the Funky Monkey ice cream on a sugar cone. Breakfast of champions. Okay, we're we're almost back to my hotel. I have been staying at the Streamline Hotel. I will link that video of the room tour and hotel tour down below. They have a rooftop bar, which is just absolutely incredible. Plus, it's a historic hotel. It is literally the birthplace of NASCAR. So if you're interested at all in NASCAR history or the Daytona Beach racing history, or you just want a great place to stay that's just steps from the beach, it's a great hotel to stay at. Thank you so much, all of you, for coming along with me as I walked my favorite beach, Daytona Beach. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video and if you've ever been to Daytona. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything Disney, anything the Mickey Bunch, or any of the fun travels that we go on. Thanks again for watching. Wishing you a very blessed and magical day, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye-bye.